Hello and welcome to this live. It's a Wednesday and it's time for some premium and very beautiful pieces that we have for you. It's going to be a short live, about 30 minutes or so, and we're going to be showing you a range of wonderful suits in organza, in pure cottons. And when I say pure cottons, you're going to be seeing three different kinds of pieces in that. Many dupattas, Georgette, even Munga, and of course very wonderful collection of premium katan dupattas. So all in all, a really power packed life for you in this premium category. So let's get started. What I'm wearing is of course our organza meenakari, our signature red for this season, and we're going to come to the colors of that. But what I'm going to start out with is this very beautiful suit that I have for you. Okay, like look at the colors, and yes, this is pure cotton karwa weave, most beautiful in softness and how it's going to kind of fall and make you feel. It's absolutely amazing. That's the piece for the dupatta, the kurta, and also the greatest thing is that we have also done the bottom on the loom, which means that it is, yes, all in all, a premium pure cotton wonderful suit set. And the main thing is of course the color. It's just this beautiful shade of blue. I mean, look at how intense and amazing it is. I'm going to just keep this for a moment and I'm going to show you this. Here you go. That's the most wonderful. What I want to actually show you is this border. The butta is all in all very beautiful. A perfect blue cotton look for you as a three-piece suit set. Okay, so that's one single color only. This design I have only one color for you, which is the one that I'm showing you. From that, we're going to go on to our next piece, which is this. I mean, look at this color. It is the most beautiful color of purple, that I've seen. It's very much like this perfect aubergine color. I think I love it. It's amazing. Look at the whole feel, look of it, and absolutely the Meena. So, most wonderful. And yes, this silhouette's supposed to be grand. It's supposed to be everything that you want in a most, like you're looking at wearing it for a wedding, for an occasion, for an event. This is your piece. Okay, so yes, the brand new color in this one, and there you go. That's the bottom. That's your full three-piece look. Or iska jo whole charm is in the Meena, in this, this big karwa butta that you can see, and of course in pure cotton. Now there you go. From that, we're going to go on to what we call as our karwa dupatta, full length, slightly lesser width, which makes it really easy for you to wear, enjoy these pieces. Okay, so let's get started, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. This dupatta. Okay, so this is all in gold. That's the first thing. It's all in gold. अच्छा, अगर अब आप चाहें कि आपको इसके साथ कुछ पहनना है, what are the options? That is what I'm going to give you, okay? Because दुपट्टे के colors तो मेरे हाथ में है, and these are, as you will see, and I'm wearing two dupattas, not one. And उसमें एक दुपट्टा organza का है, if you can believe it. So yes, of course, our organza suit, जो इन दुपट्टे के बाद, that's the next thing I'm going to show, are the colors in the organza suits and why it's so wonderful, and hope you have already chosen it. If not, then this is the time to go for it. But before that, we're going to go on these dupattas. Now, these dupattas are your short way to dress up. When you are in the mood of wearing something really pretty, Banarsi, then this piece is really good for that, okay? So, wonderful colors can be done in Georgette. That's the beauty. And when you're looking for matching fabrics, then yes, right from premium cottons with a karwa butta. And if you're wondering कौन सा है ये fabric, कल ही हमने एक छोटा सा वीडियो लगाया है जिसमें बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस हैं, which is a hand woven premium cotton karwa with Meena, okay? And you can wear this dupatta on that. You can wear it on chinya butta, because chinya butta is like short. Like you cannot go wrong with a chinya butta kurta, plain bottom, and this dupatta. And how is it going to look? We've also again pinned down a video on our Instagram page जहाँ एक चेरी कलर का लुक है. Of course, that's the 32,800 वाला दुपट्टा. You can wear that dupatta, you can wear this dupatta, but the idea is it is perfect in a chinya butta and a plain bottom. Oh, thank you so much. Really great to see you around, and especially in the lives. So yes, it's always such a pleasure, when there's so many names I've been working with for so many years, and they come and they send a message. It really kind of makes me happy. So yes, if you're feeling it, just drop in a message. We're very happy to always hear. Kai baar मैं miss कर देती हूँ, kai baar it just takes me a moment, but big love. Now there you go. This is one of my most favorite shades of green. I always call it dhani green, which is also like fresh crop green, and look at that, the freshness of this color, and particularly so because this is a color which looks wonderful with a shade of gold. Okay, बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये gold के साथ. So when you're going for a buta fabric, it's going to look wonderful with a gold buta fabric. Whether you choose it in munga, whether you choose it in chinia, it's going to be perfect. The plain options for you is, one is of course georgette. ये भी georgette है, तो आप plain georgette पहने इसके साथ बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. That's your one option. Two option, you can go for plain katan. That's always gorgeous. Okay, so go for plain katan with it, and it's going to be amazing. Okay, so there you go. Now a quick recap on this particular suit that I'm wearing. I'm going to show it to you like this. Now the reason I'm wearing it today is that yes, we have finally some pieces which are ready to be shipped out. I think मैंने थोड़े दिन पहले भी बोला था, and then they all got over. Now, but they're again here. Okay, so for some collections, as we keep making them, we keep shipping them depending on your orders, and sometimes we have those excess piece, which is a great thing. Then we can show it to you here. Okay, Gul Buta cotton, if you know that fabric, that's one such fabric which has been of course on pre-order since the day it was launched. So as we make it, we will ship it to you. And pre-orders agar hota bhi hai, to it's very simple. Aapko ek chota sa amount, you can even give like 2,000, 3,000 bucks, book your piece, and then when it's ready, of course, you can pay the balance and you can go for it. Okay, now what I'm wearing, now look at the glorious look of it, this very beautiful dupatta. Okay, now look at that, it's amazing. This is pure organza kurta and dupatta, and with it what we've done is a fabulous cotton jacquard weave bottom, but it's not a regular one because we have the most beautiful border with it. Okay, now I'm done with my color. This exact same piece is available for you to be shipped right away this evening. Okay, in fact, and so there you go. Let me just show it to you. There you go, this is ready to be shipped out. And okay, now this is something I was wondering that day, and I keep forgetting. I have worn this suit a couple of times, 2-3 times, and I keep forgetting this, that to mention that the lining that you see, and this lining that you're seeing here, okay, that's the lining actually. This is the lining. So this beautiful fabric here is the lining, and this is actually chinia silk. So we've used chinia silk for the lining of this beautiful suit. Okay, so of course it comes at a price, surely, but what happens is that when you wear such a gorgeous color in your chinia as the base, okay, chinia has a sheen, it has softness, and जब आप उसको organza के साथ आप उसको पहनते हैं, it becomes this beautiful intense color. Okay, so if you are somebody who's up for it, then definitely go for a pure chinia. That's the bottom. This is what I was talking about, this value edition which makes it look amazing. So I was saying, if you're up for it, absolutely go for a plain chinia lining. Like I've not even done, kai baar I do a double lining, matlab ek cotton for my front and silk for my back, but this time I've done it only, of course, because organza hai, there is that transparency which is kind of makes it everything, how it looks, that amazing look comes because of this. But if you wear chinia silk lining for your kurta, bottom mein to chahiye bhi nahi, it's not necessary. Okay, it will look absolutely amazing. Okay, and the great thing is that I think we have 2 greens today. Is that so? Now look at that, that's a very wonderful mehndi green. I think I love it. Okay, so no worries, there is, but I think, okay, and in any case you can ask the team for a picture. There's this beautiful sea green as well, that's also there, but this mehndi green is everything, especially season जो आ रहा है, और जो season आ रहा है वो celebrations and festivals and traveling to India and wearing it with your loved ones. That's the season. Okay, enjoying and being a part of these events. I think that's what the whole idea is about, when you can wear them, enjoy them, flaunt them, and really, and dress up for yourself. So My point mean that अगर ये सारी चीजें हम दिखा रहे हैं, that's because you can get them right away. You can also kind of be ready. And I know so many of you traveling to India in the next 1 month, 1.5 months, 2 months, already prepping up for that because it's so smart. And everybody here, because you're going to need to get it tailored. You need to do all of that. Oh, that's an amazing, amazing orange. So it needs time, leisure, which is what we have right now. I mean, summer's ahead, so summer's almost khatam ho raha hai. But yes, this is a time where you can wear them, enjoy them. You can also plan for the next month. So all of that, right? And this is a gorgeous color. Make sure that even if chinia's lining is what I'm wearing, that is why you see this very intense color. और मुझे actually ये बात याद आई that I have not spoken about this once even. And then, of course, there's that whole thing about how your color is. This is amazing. It's a beautiful color. Wear it with a nice lining. Go for a chinia silk. If not, go for a good lining which will give you that kind of a color. And yes, make it absolutely amazing. Okay, actually I'm going to say one more lining. Okay, so we do the mull cotton lining which is 480, but we're also trying out a raw silk. It's a semi-raw silk, of course, for the lining, which can also be dyed. That's also something we're trying. So when you're looking for a silkish finish of your lining, then that's also something you can go for. A quick one, a black one. And of course, when you wear up your silkiness, there's no, it's like the comfort is another level. Okay, that's a white. It's a wonderful, wonderful white, I think. And just look at that, the bottom, it's just perfect. Okay, we are done with all of these colors. Pick up anyone that you like. And yes, white also kind of gives us that flexibility that you can actually dye it in any color of your choice. Okay, from that, I'm going to jump into this very beautiful, I think 4 colors. Yeah, 4 colors of these dupattas. That's what I'm going to get into, of Kattan silk premium dupattas. Okay, and the idea is that, wear them, flaunt them on a lehenga, on a kurta, on an anarkali. Go for a plain silk if that's what you like, a plain silk suit set with it in Kattan. That's always the best. Then chinia is also an option. We also customize yarn dyed silk as per your requirement just for you. There may be, I don't think right now we're charging anything extra for the per meter, but the thing that we do have is that you need to do a minimum quantity of that, okay, which is I think 5 meters or 7.5 meters. You can always check with the team. But there you go. So you can have this amazing, stunning, whole purple look. But yes, you can also build it as a contrast. So that's also there. Now the next one, and this one is a phenomenal new color. Okay, and it's just beautiful. Look at that. Some colors with that gold zari, what can I say? They just look, so classy, so pretty. Like it's everything that you've been wanting for. So now look at that. Wear this on our Gul Buta, which is the silk one, in white, in this gold color, this cream color that it's there. That's a signature color also, and it will look beautiful. You say that you want this one full color, also dyed as like the base color, that can also be done. But whatever you go for, it's a stunner. And seeing this, of course, this is our new color that we have introduced in a palette. On the same note, it's also there in Florence cotton. Okay, it's a very nice color. It's the exact same color. Thankfully the light is such, it's all in natural light. This is the exact color of this piece. To me, this is a shade of what is it to you? Okay, to me, green. To me, it's a shade of green. To you, it's a green. I think we can all agree that it's a green to us, and it's exactly like this. Okay, we also have a very pretty Florence in the exact same color. Agar Florence aapko nahi idea, it's our signature motive in premium cotton and also in silk. But right now we have it in premium cotton. It's an amazing. In fact, I was just thinking it aloud, and I just think that agar aapko is dupatte ke saath Florence Buta, you want it customized, okay, for this particular dupatta because it's going to look so gorgeous, then you should do it, and you should also do it with that color. Okay, the motive, you can just ask us ki kaisa dikhta hai, and we'll show you exactly how it is, and then it can be custom made for this gorgeous dupatta because really it deserves everything. wear it on black, wear it on a dark green, lighter green, and of course wear it on a same on same. You just cannot go wrong with these gorgeous pieces. Okay, next up, and that's the final color of, okay, there are two more colors. Oh my god, the stun of a green. Now what we are doing is actually showing you all of these available colors so that you really can wear them. Wear it on a tissue, wear it on silk, wear it on whites and golds, and yes, just enjoy the glory of these amazing silk dupattas. Okay, and this is the last one that we're going for. There you go. Oh, this is like hot pink. Okay, to me this is hot pink. Some also call it Rani pink, but for me, I tell you, the whole deal is that Rani pink for me is a white tone color, and the hot pink is of course warm tone color. So yes, both have its different charm, and drape it around. They will also be perfect on a lehenga. Okay, now lehenga kaisa banna chahiye? You just need nice plain silk. Okay, but yes, sure, if you want to make it grander, we can add on a buta. You can do that. You can even do a chinya buta. But this dupatta on the same color, you wearing all of those statement pieces that you have, don't keep them in your locker and take them out and actually wear it. You know, so it's very important for me that you actually wear your pieces, चाहे हमारे wonderful नीड के pieces हों, चाहे आपके पास जो बहुत अच्छा collection already है वो भी आप पहने and ये भी पहने, and you know, so yeah, I mean, it's really important that we are mindful of what we buy. Absolutely, it's very, very important. It's also very important that we wear what we have, we mix them, match them, and reuse them in many different ways. There is so much about not repeating outfits, but like I'm telling you, like I'm the person to tell you, I've been wearing and repeating my outfits forever, and I think I feel great in them every time I wear it, and I say, why would I not wear this again? So to me, yes, I may change, you know, the accessories and the whole look, but for me, it's absolutely important that you love your pieces, naye wale, purane wale, wear them, okay? And yeah, sure, if your style is one time only, absolutely, that's also perfectly fine. Just, you know, whatever, you know, wins your heart. It's all about you at the end of the day. And on that note, this glorious piece, okay, what is it? What is it that you see, okay? I mean, I do not think we've made anything as beautiful as this in Georgette and with this wonderful Meenakari work. But yes, you have seen the dupatta in this piece, and I'm also of course going to show it to you. But what we have also introduced is the fabric. Okay, this is the most amazing, and I think I should, ये हमारा ऐसा आज का बहुत सारे show stoppers हैं हमारे पास, and of course also lined up still, because we're going to go into the last bit of this live, which is going to be this beautiful premium cotton suits. But my point being that this Sona and Rupa and Meena Georgette fabric is everything that you've been eyeing for, and we should have declared it one big launch, and we are doing it now. It's just amazing. It is from our premium category. You can buy it by the meter, and you can dye it to any color of your choice. The dupattas that we are making, and I'll show you of course the white and the pink, that's all that I have. We are dyeing it constantly as per your orders. We've done such a range of beautiful colors. You know, somebody was asking for electric green, and I think they did it, and it's looking so nice. Okay, so you can do that. You can customize the whole look. I'm just going to bring out the dupatta. I'm just giving you a moment to kind of absorb the beauty of this piece. You can see the silver zari, you can see the gold, and you can see the meenas. And yes, when you dye it in a color or wear it in white, whatever your choice is, it's going to look even better. If I think though white looks beautiful, let's do a white on white look. And yes, you know, look at that. That's the dupatta. Okay, now I'm going to keep this, just can we hold this? Okay, this is the dupatta, this very beautiful dupatta. Look at that, here it is. Yes, iska ek signature jo hai is this very big and bold piece that you're seeing here, and I think it looks amazing. Okay, but I've shown you this dupatta a few times, so what I'm going to really do is bring back the fabric and then show it to you with it. Now this is something that I leave it up to you. Ki, what is it that you think is going to be great? Are you going to wear a same on same like this in terms of the same design, but I think बहुत सुंदर लगेगा especially if you're going to do a lehenga of this, okay? If you're going to do a lehenga or if you're going to do a narkali of this, and it's designed like that, it's a circular design, and then you wear this grand dupatta with it, it's going to look stunner, okay? It's going to look absolutely amazing. Of course, many of you have picked up just the dupattas. It looks incredibly beautiful with plain silks as well. But yes, this is really something which will make it like this one perfect grand attire, okay? Now I'm also going to show it to you. So one concept is that you do a same on same, and then also that you do it in the same color. And then what we can do is build up a contrast, okay? Now look at that. Here you go. To me, and you know, that's what we were talking, and then that's how, like, you know, then we were developing the entire concept. We also wanted for you to try the contrast, because I think it looks very, very nice when worn as a contrast. It could be pink and white, it could be red and pink, it could be black and blue even, or a gray even. It could be all of those colors, but I do think that you should try wearing this one as a contrast, okay? I mean, look at the colors. Here it is, so glorious and lovely. You can, I think I saw that electric green going out with some silk, beautiful fabric in blue. So like a blue and green thing. You can do all of those colors, and because it's this gorgeous georgette, koi bhi color jo aap chahenge, it will come, you know, on it. I mean, that's the beauty. Okay, somebody was saying about lining. Yes, it's a silk lining, and I will talk about it at the very end again. I do have a very beautiful collection of, let's show you, yes, of a premium suits in pure cotton and a gorgeous meenakari work. It is absolutely amazing. You have to experience the beauty of these pieces. Look at that work that you see. Look at the detailing. It's absolutely amazing. And as I said, this is our summer collection. And, you know, yes, these summer collections are coming to the last. The looms completely change, you know, around this time. And these are the final grand, beautiful pieces for the summers from our new collection. And look at that. That's an amazing, amazing shade. And, you know, don't be scared wearing these bright, wonderful colors. I think it looks amazing with especially this touch of green and pink. And what an unusual combination. It's very pretty. There you go. That's the first one that we did. Now I'm going to go to the second one. Look at that. Here it is. Or actually, I have many colors now. Finally, all of them are ready for you to be seen. So मैं दिखाऊंगी. Maybe, just maybe, I may not open all of them. But yes, when you have that mood to wear something really, really, you know, something that's really comfortable for you to wear, but at the same time, you don't want it to just be anything. You want it to really be able to stand out. This is that, okay? And this amazing, amazing shade of brown. I think I made so much brown this time. But at the end of the day, when I see my collection and I see ki kya reh gaya, I hardly see any browns, okay? I think they've done so incredibly well. It's absolutely amazing, okay? Now, and yes, I have been brave and done a lot of these new colors. I think, yeah, and thanks to you guys, which you've loved. So this one, a blue with it, and this very, very closely placed meena that you see. You know, ye jo pura boota hai, and I'm going to show it to you very carefully here. This takes such time to be created, and that is what kind of completely makes the look. What a beautiful shade. I mean, you know, like, look at that. All of them come with the, you know, with the bottoms made on the loom, and which is why that's the whole perfection of it. Can I just get this bottom, you know, any one bottom, this one? I'm just showing it to you once. This is the bottom fabric, yeah, which has been made on the loom to match it. That's the kurta. And you will see the darker colors that we've done, and at the same time we have done these very, very soft colors as well, so that you can have and you can choose any look. Now to me, we've done this as a no tassel look, but I leave it up to you. If you do want it, then we will make it for you, no extra charges, since this is our premium category of suits. But yeah, I think some are, you know, when you really do want to focus just on the fabric, just on the work, it kind of works well. Now the lighter colors with the darker meena also, they have a different charm. So yes, I think मैंने सारे जितना भी I wanted to design color combinations, we have tried it all. That's a very bright and beautiful one. and I'm going to go just to show you the colors that we have. This is the very last piece of this live, and I'm really happy that we did this short but really power pack because there's so many great pieces. Oh, that's really beautiful. Of course, I'm very partial to pink and peaches, so you'll hear that big expression, okay? But yeah, I mean, of course, I love colors, but yeah, I always will give you a bigger grandness here. But look at that now, this new color again, and wow, I mean, look at those colors bursting out. Yeah, really happy with how these have turned out. There you go. That's the I think last two colors you have. Three colors. We are doing the last three colors for you. We have the entire palette just in time, just in time for you to kind of pick up. Now this is something, this particular suit, from a day out to a wedding, you really can do so much with it. I mean, and for me, that's very important as a whole looking and dressing, because for me it's all about making your life really easy. And for that, I always want to make pieces which you can just go like day to evening, and all of that very easily. There's so many phrases to describe that. I'm not going to get into that, but on a day you can wear it just to a really nice fancy lunch, and on the second one you really can wear some beautiful jewelry, some really collector's pieces, and then you can wear it to any function anywhere. Okay, the last one, the very last one in this, and now you can see why the whole palette is ready, so that you can see it all together. This is incredible, this color, it's like a garnet color. I think love the pink with that, and it's beautiful. This is your last piece in this collection. Absolutely loving it. We're just going to close with two dupattas, okay? And both, I think, Munga silk, both very, very different to each other, because one is all about this resham weave, just that zari, okay? So look at that. It's a very deep color. I think we've done a lot of this deep reds today. And this is the final one, which is, of course, this beautiful Meena dupatta. So that's why I said very different, because this is all about, the sheen and the colors, and of course the zari really standing out. But dono ka hi base Munga silk hai. You can just go for a Munga buta or even a plain Munga, kind of a suit with it, and it would be perfect. So that's amazing. Can I get my dupatta bag? Yes, thank you. So that I'm going to keep aside. And this one, yes, this is, that's what great. I actually just remembered it at the last time that organza suits, especially this one, is absolutely available, ready to be shipped out in many colors. And yes, my lining is of pure silk, which is why you get this intense, beautiful color, especially in the kurta. The bottom, I think I have used lining. I use it for all my bottoms, but it's actually not necessary. This is really nice fabric. I leave it up to you. They last longer. There is no doubt when you put linings, but rest, it's up to you. And of course, this gorgeous meenakari look. Okay, so that's it from us. Thank you so much. Nothing planned for tomorrow, so I'll see you in a bit. I'll see you in a while, sometime this week. Nothing planned for now. Have a great one. I think we've done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 very different lives for you, leaving you to choose many different looks. So have a great one. See you soon again.